G'day, I'm James Nash, and our farm is called Macquarie Fields, and we're halfway between Canowindra and Cudal. We're a mixed farming operation, grain and sheep, with sheep being the main focus. And in the last couple of years, we've developed a lamb feedlot, and we're sort of now at a 4,000 head capacity. And we run the feedlot full time, with sort of the annual low period of the year being sort of September. The Brookfield OmniBin, since we purchased it in November 2024, we've used it nearly every day. It's been a great machine so far, very reliable, easy to use, and the service that's been provided from the care team's been first class when we've had things we needed them to maintain. And in terms of a time saving, we were using in a smaller feedlot using a Kirin sheep feeder, which has a capacity of about 1.5 tonnes. And then the OmniBin, I've got a capacity of about 8 tonnes. I usually split 5 tonnes of barley with 3 tonnes of the MSM milling lamb grain optimiser pellet we're using, and so we've got an 8 tonne capacity, and it just means each week we're able to feed a lot more lambs, and we're putting out 8 tonne in the same time we're putting out 1.5 tonnes. So we're sort of nearly quadrupling the capacity for each load we do. It takes about an hour to fill it up and then to take it around and put it into the sheep feeders. If anyone else is considering buying Brookfield or OmniBin product, highly recommended. With the OmniBin, it's the flexibility. So our main focus in the last 18 months since we bought it has been the lamb feedlot, because the conditioning has been conducive to that. But we've got the flexibility there to use it as a grouper, which we have. We put MAP in the front. We've used it for single super. We've used it for urea. We've used it at harvest time, as an extra field bin, which is a mobile field bin, which just, saves us a whole heap of time when we've got to shift paddocks and they're waiting for a truck, and we've got spare 5 tonne we can just put in the OmniBin and take it there. And that's probably a key reason why I bought it, because, if the conditions aren't conducive for lamb feedlotting, I've still got a variety of uses on farm that we can use it for. So, just the performance of the machine as well. They came and helped set it up, and it's very simple to use. Once you've used it for half a day, you're pretty confident with it. It's easy to instruct others to use as well that need to fill in for yourself, and it's robust as well. So in muddy conditions, we haven't had any issues with the tyres pulling through when we've needed it to, and it's still running very well.